Turmeric peppery milk. It is a very best drink for cold and cough, especially in rainy days. Do give it a try. This drink for at least 5 to 7 days for best results with natural ingredients. Hey everyone, welcome to Latu's Kitchen. If you're new here after watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please do leave a like and do share it with your friends. That really means a lot. Yes, today I'm sharing through this video a very best home remedy for cold and cough with the basic ingredients available at home. Those are very best antibiotic like pepper, turmeric, and dry ginger, very best anti-inflammatory. It also reduces the risk of cancer, very good for diabetics. Pepper improves digestion. So these are all natural herbs given to us by Mother Nature. And turmeric, no words to explain this golden beauty, a very best antibiotic and very best spice that is given to us by the Mother Nature to reduce the risk of cancer. uh, Rich in antioxidant, turmeric, yes. And also I'm using palm candy, palm fruit. We all know this is the candy which they extract through that palm tree. That is a very traditional sweetener. If you don't have it, you can replace it with the general jaggery or even sugar. So first, powder the dry ginger and the pepper coarse. Add it into the milk. 2 spoons, 2 to 3 spoons palm candy, depending upon your sweet intake. And turmeric powder, half a tablespoon for a half a liter milk. Preferable use organic turmeric powder. You get it in medicinal shops, in Ayurvedic shops, or you can use the regular turmeric powder which you use it for cooking. Give it a mix, boil it for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is boiled, you can filter them and sip it hot or little warm, so that it gives you a instant relief for your cough, which is related to cold. Try this for at least 5 to 7 days for best results. You can also give this for children's, but in a limited proportion. A very best home remedy for cold cough, especially during rainy days. You can just have it as it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share it with your friends.